What if this could be the year you actually keep your New Year's resolution? What if instead of giving up in a few weeks, you could turn your goal into lasting success? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cecile and I help professionals just like you optimize their resource. Their time, their energy and money so they can achieve their goal while being happy and fulfilled. And today we are diving into 5 powerful tips that will help you keep your New Year's resolution alive and thriving, not just for a few weeks, but throughout the year 2025. According to a study from the Journal of Clinical Psychology, only 8% of people succeed in achieving their resolution. Surprising, right? Most people set big goals on New Year Eve only to forget about them or let self-doubt take over. But not you, and not this year 2025, right? So stick with me and I'm going to show you how to be in that top 8% who make their resolution a reality. So tips number 1 is to strive for excellence, not perfection. Let's be honest, no one is perfect and you don't need to be perfect to achieve your goal. If you sleep or miss a day, don't beat yourself up. The key is just to pick yourself up, dust yourself off and start again, because each day is a fresh new start. Remember, even if progress feels slow, you could be just a few steps away from reaching your mountain top. Tips number 2, remember your why. Why did you set this resolution in the first place? Think about how achieving this goal will transform your life or change it to the better. Write it down, keep it visible and remind yourself often. When your why is clear, your determination will follow, because you'll naturally feel like going into motion and taking the required action that you set for yourself. Tips number 3 is practice positive affirmation. Start your day with positive mindset, the mindset of a winner. Take a few minutes each day, morning, to set your intention. Replace whenever you have them negative thought with empowering affirmation like, I am able to achieve any goal I set for myself, or nothing will stop me from succeeding. Repeat this whenever you need a boost. Trust me, this simple habit can transform your mindset and keep you on track. Tips number 4 is setting small and measurable goals. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into simple and smaller actionable steps. For example, instead of trying to learn an entire language all at once, set a goal to learn 10 words or few phrases per week, with a daily practice of 15 minutes using an app or online video. After 3 months, aim for a basic conversation in that language. And don't forget to celebrate every small victory. It will keep you motivated to keep going and making progress. Tip number 5 is to replace negative thought with positive one. We all have them, negative thought, but they don't have to control us. When self-doubt creeping, recognize it for what it is and let it go, and refocus your energy. Meditation can be a great tool to observe and release negative thinking pattern. By staying positive, you will keep your momentum alive. And now is your turn. Let me know in the comment, what's your top tip for keeping New Year's resolution alive? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share your idea on the comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Together we'll make this year a year to remember, a marvelous one. So thank you for being part of this community. Thank you for watching the video, and here is to crushing your goal this year. Bye for now.